7 steps to a 720 credit score. This is a do-it-yourself program that takes people through exactly what they need to do to rebuild their credit after a bankruptcy, foreclosure, a divorce, whatever that is. We give this program to anyone who's done our first 2 courses. So with Evergreen, we have 2 courses, and each course costs $20. Now, we're a nonprofit. Those are tax deductible courses that you can write off of your taxes. And you're going to go through the courses. And when you go through both courses, you're going to get access to 7 steps to a 720 credit score. Absolutely free. In 7 steps to a 720 credit score, we teach you how to rebuild your credit. I'm explaining how to do it. And it boils down to 3 easy steps. Number 1, you got to get the errors off your credit report. Now, let me talk about what errors are. Errors are not late payments that you made that you legitimately were late, but are negative on your credit report. That's not an error, okay? An error is something that shouldn't be on there. So for example, if you filed bankruptcy and it's not showing on your credit report include in bankruptcy, that's an error. Or a collection, if you had a collection and there's 2 collections, the same amount, both reporting current collections, that's an error, especially if it's mainly because it's the same collection reporting twice at the same time. There are certain things that are legitimate errors. So number 1, you got to get the errors off the credit report. We tell you exactly how to do it. It's very simple. Now, if you filed bankruptcy, we have a program where we will review your credit report for errors free of charge. And if there are errors, we'll send out certified letters on your behalf. We're going to have another video about that, but that is for people that have filed bankruptcy in the past 4 years. So if you're new to Evergreen and you're watching these videos for the first time and say you had a bankruptcy 2 years ago, you would qualify for that review of the credit report. Number 2, the second way to rebuild your credit after a meltdown is to get 3 new credit cards. This is part of the process. You need to establish new credit card, a revolving credit after the bankruptcy, foreclosure, short sale, divorce, whatever it is. And it's gonna be really simple. You're gonna get a credit card for $100 limit, $200 limit, whatever they're gonna give you. Doesn't matter if the interest rate's 26%. The annual fees are $100 a year. It doesn't really matter because you're only gonna have this credit card for 1 to 2 years. You're gonna get 3 new credit cards and all of a sudden you're gonna start building deeper roots. And the third thing you're gonna do, you're gonna have an active or paid installment line that has been done after the late payments. Now, what's an installment line? That could be a new car loan. That could be a furniture loan. It could be a credit rebuilder program. We have one of those here at Evergreen where you pay a flat monthly fee for a set period of time. And that's the key with an installment. The payment amount does not change. It's the same amount for the same period of time. If you do those 3 things, I'm telling you, you will have a 720 credit score in 12 to 24 months, and many times a lot sooner.